My name is Cliff Bowden. I am the president of Cliff's Custom Floors Incorporated, which is just simply a floor installation primary business. Slabs are always putting out moisture, taking in back and forth all the time. And this goes back quite a few years ago, but I think it taught me a lot. I'm trying to think how many years ago there was a school, 2 schools built here in the Josephine County. Those schools, one of those was built on an old spring, like just down the road from there's a certain ranch named for a certain spring. And on that one, the 2 installers doing that, it was a father-son team. They've been around a long time. They did the same thing that everybody does. You just take the sheet goods in there, and you glue it down. You patch the low spots and you glue it. And in that particular one, there was so much moisture coming through that slab, it re-emulsified the glue and it just drove it out. My introduction to that job was being sent in by the shop that had installed it to go repair these guys' faulty work. And when I went in there I was like, you're just peeling back full classrooms and you're just re-gluing these things, and the carpet was horribly wrinkled. And it was like, it felt like a sauna in this place. It just stunk. And that's as an elementary school. And I look at that going, at that point we weren't testing as much with that father-son team, and they were good installers, great guys. I still talk to the son quite a bit when I see him. That was it. That's over. I mean, it cost them so much. They kept getting dinged for all these repairs for something that wasn't them to do, but they didn't test for it.